What's going on, guys? So, since y'all have supported me and we surpassed 500 subscribers, I'm gonna give someone $100. We're gonna randomize it. All you have to do to enter to win this contest is drop a comment below, subscribe, like this video, and share it. And that's all you gotta do. We're gonna do the honor system. I'm not gonna check if you shared the video or not. But definitely drop a comment below so I can enter y'all in to win. Also, one other stipulation is go to my channel's main page and look down, scroll down to the bottom, and there's a few channels that I want you to go check out. There's one, David Shorts. He's always been supporting my channel. He's a really cool guy. He reviews watches. He'll get you dialed in on an affordable, stylish watch. And then definitely go check out my buddy Khalid's channel. He does more like a vlog style YouTube channel, but man, his content is up there. He's got a S13 that's running 15 pounds of boost, and I rode in it the other day, and man, yeah, it kind of scared me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. So definitely go check out those two channels, and I'll probably pick someone using a randomizer probably at the end of this month, September, maybe the beginning of October, just depending on how everything goes. If you're watching this video and it's past October 21st or 2021, definitely subscribe. You know, I'll do another giveaway probably at 1,000, 1,500, $2,000, you know, all of that. So thanks again. Y'all are awesome. I appreciate all the support, and here we go. We're gonna remove the sound deadening material in the Datsun today and get it all, well, I mean, I did this a couple weeks ago, but anyways, yeah, here we go. So all the sound deadening material on the passenger side chipped up nicely. The driver's side floorboard, I guess it's because it saw a lot of moisture. All that adhesive and the sound deadening material was still fresh, so I kind of had to like scrape all that out. You can kind of see it, but that was a pain. That actually took as long as all this did to chip out. So let's get the angle grinder in here and we'll clean all this surface off. Well guys, it's later this evening and the hose is not the right size. I talked to JEGS about it. They thought it was the fittings that I got from Amazon, but it actually is the hose. The guy I talked to, he was like, hose is hose, bro. But obviously it's not, because it's not within the right tolerances for those fittings to work. So I don't know. We're just gonna have to get new hose, new fittings, and here I'll show you what's going on. All right, so it's not even butted up against where it needs to be, but you can see that it's like kinking the inside of the hose. You see how it's all like disformed? There's no way we're gonna be able to get this fitting to thread down in there. It doesn't even come close. Like, we still have probably 1/8 of an inch to press this in there, and I mean, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I don't think it's supposed to be like kinked and squared off, but I don't know. It's pretty unfortunate, because I mean, JEGS fittings were definitely cheaper. I'm gonna talk to him and see what's going on. See if they have a different kind of AN16 hose, because obviously this, let's see. Number 16 LTWT black hose 15. Maybe this is the wrong hose. I'm really not sure, but you know, I bought it as -16 hose. It's from JEGS. So, I don't know. What's up, guys? So I just wanted to give you all a quick update. It ended up, I guess it is the fittings, but JEGS really did me a solid and took care of me. So they couldn't, I don't know what was going on, but they gave me employee pricing on a whole new set of fittings and line. So that should all be here this week, and we'll get all that sorted out so we can make those lines, those coolant lines, finally, for that rear mounted radiator. But I just wanted to give you all an update, and I saved nearly like $300 on them. So yeah, huge shout out for JEGS for taking care of me, and yeah, thanks again for subscribing. Comment below to enter to win that $100, and that's gonna do it. Y'all take care. Peace. Come on.